Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can add a relationship on Facebook. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on your Facebook menu icon at the bottom right of your screen and click on your Facebook username at the top left of your screen. Once you're inside your Facebook profile, you can see the little pen icon at the top right of your screen right beside the search icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, scroll a bit down and you can see the option called details. Right beside details, you will see the edit button. Click on edit. And once you're inside details, scroll a bit down and you will see the option called relationship. You can add a relationship status, and from over here you can click on it and make sure you can make it public only me. So I want to make it public so anyone can see it, and I will click on relationship status, and over here you can choose whichever option you want. So I will go with single. Once you choose the option you want, click on save, and you can now just basically click on save again, and your relationship status will be added on your Facebook, and that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. Want to step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.